Hello everyone. Let's learn how to remove this kind of dark circles from photos using Photoshop. Open your image in Photoshop. Right-click on the image layer and click on the duplicate layer and hit OK. Now, go to Filter, Other and High Pass. Here, keep the value between 4 and 4.5 and hit OK. Change the blending mode of this layer to Overlay. Create a new layer and drag it between two layers. Now, right-click on this high-pass layer and click on the Create Clipping Mask option. Select the middle layer. Select the Paintbrush tool. Press the Alt key and pick a color of skin tone. Ensure that the flow is set at 10 and opacity is at 50%. Now start painting over the dark circles until it disappears. In just a few seconds, you will start seeing the difference. And we are done here. See the before and after. Let's see the final results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.